why this tiny black box might save your sanity. TERRAMASTER F2-425 NAS review. Ever felt like your files are holding you hostage? You've got movies buffering like it's 2008, photo backups scattered across random drives, and that one important.doc hiding somewhere in digital limbo. Meanwhile, your so-called storage solution sounds like a jet engine and crashes during the only hour you have free. You're losing time, patience, and maybe a little bit of your will to live. You want quiet. You want fast. You want something that just works. Spoiler, your current setup isn't it. Let's be real. Those missed deadlines, lost footage, and endless loading screens aren't just inconveniences. They're soul-draining productivity killers. Every hour you waste waiting on slow transfers is an hour you're not creating, relaxing, or binge-watching guilt-free. The stress piles up. Your backups feel like a gamble. Opportunities slip through your fingers because you can't access the right file right now. Burnout's lurking in the corner, and all because your tech can't keep up. The worst part? You know there's better out there, and you haven't grabbed it yet. Enter the TERRAMASTER F2-425, your new digital fortress and media powerhouse. Powered by an Intel x86 quad-core CPU and 4 GB DDR4 RAM, expandable, it laughs in the face of lag. The 2.5 GB LAN delivers file transfers 2.5 times faster than standard gigabit, while hardware-level 4K H.265 decoding makes Plex, MB, and Jellyfin streams buttery smooth. Avoir de photos sorties? Check. Tool-free, push-lock drive bays? Installed in 10 seconds flat. Cloud sync with Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox? Yep. Plus, it's whisper quiet at 19 decibels, meaning it won't wake the cat. Whether you're a photographer, streamer, or just sick of tech drama, this NAS isn't nice to have. It's your missing piece. Imagine your workflow so streamlined you actually forget about your storage. It just works invisibly, flawlessly. That's what F2-425 owners are raving about. Night and day, faster backups. Plex streams without buffering. Raw photo edits straight from the NAS. One Amazon reviewer said it cut their transfer times in half. A Newegg parent uses it for family photo backups. Simple, safe, done. The T-RAID array saves 30% more space than RAID, while keeping your data safe from drive failures. Direct drive mount means instant access without reformatting. TerraSync keeps your PC and NAS mirrored in real time, with up to 32 backup versions ready to roll back. And yes, it'll happily sit in your bedroom without sounding like a coffee grinder. This is power, elegance, and peace of mind in one matte black shell. Tempted? You should be. Stop letting good enough tech drain your time and sanity. The TERRAMASTER F2-425 is selling fast because once you know it exists, waiting makes no sense. Limited stock means once it's gone, you're back to the spinning wheel of doom. Join thousands who've leveled up their storage, secured their memories, and ditched buffering forever. This isn't just another gadget. It's your creative freedom, your backup insurance, your media vault. Secure yours today while you still can. Don't wait. Don't settle. Seize this moment and never look back.